Today, I'll show you a strategy that I use to grow my deposit every day. All I need is one tool, my trading robot, that works with artificial intelligence. By collecting data from various sources, it provides accurate signals and helps me trade on pocket option and make a profit every day. Let's get started. There are 52 currency pairs and 9 crypto OTC assets available in my trading robot for anyone who activates it completely for free. I've already activated my account, so now I just click the start button and get to work. In the Forex section, there are 21 currency pairs available. Today, I'll be trading with these assets and trying to grow my deposit using the trading robot and a system where I increase my trade size after each profit. I get the first sell signal, go back to the broker, and place my first trade for $100. From here, I'll use this system. If I make a profit, I'll increase the amount for the next trade by my initial $100, plus the profit from this trade. If I lose, I'll keep the same amount and keep going until I make a profit. But I think it's better if you see how I do it, so watch closely. My first profit was $86, so my next trade will be $186. In other words, I'm increasing the amount of the next trade by the profit I made from the previous one. I get the next buy signal and open a trade for $186. I think now you understand how this strategy works. If I make a profit again, I'll increase the amount for the next trade. But if I lose, I'll keep the amount at $186 until I get a profitable trade, and only then will I increase it. It's that simple, and it's much better than using martingale. But you need to understand that with this strategy, you have to have enough funds in your balance. But this strategy is damn good, and it works. I use it often, and with it I grow my deposit almost every day. This is a really good signal. The price just shot up and I made a profit of $140. Now I'll increase the amount for the next trade again. Let's keep going. The trading robot is recommending to buy again. This is my third signal, and the currency pair is Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. I have 2 more currency pairs ahead following this signal. After that, I'll assess the situation before the session starts. Before recording this video, I selected currency pairs with the best payouts, and I recommend you do the same. Prepare a list of currency pairs in advance, add them to your favorites on pocket option, and then take the signal from the trading robot. Unfortunately, I make a loss, and according to the strategy, I'll open the next trade for $325. After that, depending on the result I get, I'll either increase the amount by the profit from the previous trade or continue trading at $325. In any strategy, whether it's trading with my robot or manual analysis, I use the approach of up to 3 losing trades. If I get 3 losses in a row, I stop trading for the day, analyze my mistakes, and then return to the market to recover my loss. This is a very valuable tip for both beginners and experienced traders because many get caught up in the excitement of the market. I made a profit of $591, and now I will invest this amount in the next trade. This is the strategy I use to grow my deposit, but I want to remind you about the importance of risk management and maintaining sufficient balance, because the further you go, the more you invest in a trade. And if you get a series of losses, you can quickly end up with significant losses. I recommend that with this strategy, you take no more than 10 signals and properly calculate your amount. Trade with a portion of your profit from daily trading, and then gradually you will be able to grow your deposit. Great, we're at the last signal, and as you can see, the amount of my trade will be almost $1,000. This simple method helps me grow my deposit. If I make a profit now, I'll finish growing my balance, and then I'll go prepare for the trading session with my team. I want to remind you that I have a team you can join completely for free. The trading robot is just an additional tool for our team. In my Telegram group, I do the analysis manually and apply all the experience I've gained over the last 10 years trading on the crypto market and then moving to Forex and binary options. That's it. My deposit growth is complete. I took 5 signals and made over $1,000. Even though I had a loss, as you can see, the trading robot combined with this strategy works. I'll leave the link to it below this video, and there you will also find a link to my Telegram channel where you can message me and join my team. See you soon, guys.